Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add animations in the text template to the text template in a CapCut Mobile. So as you guys know, if you use a text template, you cannot add any animations, and here I'm going to show you the trick. So first, let's go to text and select the text template. So here I'm going to just use the trending one. Let's use, for example, okay, I'm going to just use this one. Click on the text template that you want to use, and if you want to, you can resize the text. For example, here I'm going to make it like this, and you can see if I click on the text template, there will be no animations option here and the toolbar. And to add animation, here is the trick. You can just click on this separate, so you'll be separating the two part of the text templates. Click on the separate, and now you can see there is an animation option here. So just select the text. For example, here for the first one, I'm going to add the let's try the throw out. Okay, and if you want to, you can also use animations for the next one or the other text. Let's try the trail. Okay, so this will be the result. So there will be two animations on the text. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.